Lekwaleli garden kunomnyango ophumela ngeemotjhara. Umnikazi nabasebenzi bemotjhara le bahlala banevalo lokuqinteliswa legezi okungajayelekiko. Izinga lokutshisa eliphezulu kule ikumba i-5 degrees Celsius. Ngemzuzwana nje kuqinteliswa igezi izinga lokutshisa liyenyuka bese bakhulelwe zinhloko.
When load shedding start, and it happened over a weekend when you don't come back to the mortuary, you get a situation that your motor, when the electricity return, your motor can blow. And once your motor blow, you wouldn't know until the Monday when you return. Then dead bodies will decompose. And that is now on who? It's now on the undertaker.
Funeka isisombululo somraro lo. Kanti amanye amamotjhara aphakamise ukuthi imindeni futhi ingcwabe amalunga ayo kungakapheli amalanga amane.
The body is not used to take the coldness and then get hot and change again. So that was merely a recommendation that we go for the 4 days.
Bomndeni okwaBarrel basesenhlungwini basanda ukubhujelwa ngiyise kodwa naphezu kwakho lokho bakatelelekile bona bahlanganise msinya bamngcwabe ngesithunzi msinyana.
We as the family are definitely concerned. I mean, to bury the man with dignity, now we have to worry about where the body is laying and how the condition of the body is.
U14 uthi ukuthola igenerator nakho ngesinye senishijilo uthi lokho bangindleko eziphezulu bekodwa kusobakatelela bona bagcine bajugulula imali ezibhadelwako zikhutshulwe.